Hey there, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, the place where we turn everyday spaces into your dream home. I am so thrilled you are here today because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, early summer Scandinavian farmhouse design. Think light wood, breezy linen, and that perfectly calm Nordic soul meeting the rustic charm of a farmhouse. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right now and join our ever-growing family of home design lovers. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you already into Scandinavian style, or is this totally new territory for you? Either way, let's get inspired together. Before we walk through every room, let's get one thing straight. What exactly is Scandinavian farmhouse style? It is a beautiful marriage of two beloved design philosophies. Scandinavian design brings minimalism, functionality, and a deep love for natural light and clean lines. Farmhouse style brings warmth, texture, and that lived-in cozy feeling we all crave. Together, they create spaces that feel effortlessly elegant yet deeply comfortable. For early summer, the palette leans into soft whites, warm creamy tones, pale birch and ash wood, and pops of sage green and dusty blue, the colors of a Nordic summer morning. Your home's exterior is the very first chapter of your design story, and for a Scandinavian farmhouse, it should feel like a whisper of something beautiful waiting inside. Picture a white or soft grayish board-and-batten cladding, that vertical paneling with thin strips of wood over the seams, paired with a warm charcoal or black window trim for contrast. Add a steeply pitched roof with natural cedar shingles for that authentic farmhouse silhouette. For early summer, hang a simple wreath of dried cotton stems or eucalyptus on your front door, and line the porch steps with terracotta pots filled with white marguerite daisies or lavender. Keep it simple, keep it soulful. Step inside and the entryway should immediately set the tone, calm, organized, and full of character. In the Scandinavian tradition, the entryway is deeply functional. Install a shaker-style wall rail with black iron hooks for coats and hats, one hook per family member, no clutter. Below that, a slim shoe cabinet in white painted pine keeps footwear hidden but accessible. Add a small upholstered bench in oatmeal-colored boucle fabric for seating while you slip on shoes. A round or arch-top mirror with a light wood frame bounces natural light beautifully. Finish the floor with a flat woven cotton runner in natural stripes, and place a small potted fern on top of the shoe cabinet for that fresh living touch. The living room is the heart of this home, and in Scandi farmhouse style, it should feel like a deep exhale. Choose a sofa in oatmeal or warm white slipcover fabric, something that looks equally beautiful styled with linen throw pillows in sage, dusty blue, and natural flax. Ground the space with a chunky jute rug under a light ash wood coffee table. For early summer, layer an open weave cotton throws draped casually over the sofa arm. Your curtain choice matters enormously here. Go for floor-to-ceiling sheer linen panels that filter golden summer light without blocking it. A pair of simple pendant lights in woven wrought tan or matte white ceramic complete the look with warmth and intention. The dining room in a Scandinavian farmhouse is where slow Sunday mornings and relaxed summer dinners happen. Choose a large dining table in solid oak or light ash with a raw, slightly matte finish. The grain of the wood should be a feature, not hidden. Pair it with a mix of wooden spindleback chairs and a long upholstered bench in a natural linen for that effortless, mismatched but curated farmhouse look. For your summer table decor, layer a simple linen table runner in undyed natural fabric down the center. Add a low arrangement of white cosmos flowers in a vintage ceramic pitcher, a couple of beeswax taper candles in wooden holders, and small ramekins of sea salt and fresh herbs. Simple, seasonal, and stunning. A Scandinavian farmhouse kitchen is built on honest materials and quiet beauty. Choose shaker-style cabinets painted in soft white or warm off-white with brushed brass or matte black hardware. The contrast is subtle but deeply intentional. Your countertops should be butcher block and light maple for warmth, or a honed white marble if you love a more refined touch. The refrigerator should be integrated behind a cabinet panel for that seamless, clutter-free Scandi look. For the stove, a classic cream or white range cooker with brass knobs is chef's kiss. It adds personality without effort. Tuck a small matte black espresso machine on the counter near the window with a little tray, a ceramic mug, and a tiny bud vase. That corner will become your favorite spot in the house every single morning. This is where the family truly lives, the cozy, slightly more relaxed sibling of the formal living room. Mount your flat-screen TV on a shiplap accent wall painted in a warm white or soft linen color, shiplap being those horizontal planks of wood that are synonymous with the farmhouse aesthetic. Frame the TV with built-in shelving and painted pine, styled with a mix of books, small plants in ceramic pots, woven baskets, and a few framed black and white family photos. Choose oversized floor cushions and a deep sectional sofa in performance fabric for maximum lounging potential. A worn, vintage-style patchwork quilt folded over the armrest adds that generational warmth that makes a farmhouse feel truly lived in and loved. In today's home, we need spaces that work harder without looking harder. Tuck a compact home office into an alcove or corner with a slim, beautiful desk in light walnut or birch. Think clean lines, a single drawer, no fuss. Add a small vintage-style brass desk watch and a little analog radio in cream or wood finish on the desktop. These are what designers call personality pieces. They tell a story. For the adjacent reading nook, build a window seat with storage below, cushioned in soft ticking striped fabric. Line the wall above with floating shelves stacked with books, a small trailing pothose plant, and a slim floor lamp in aged brass. This space should feel like a quiet adventure waiting to begin. Your bedroom in this design philosophy is a sanctuary, and in early summer, it should feel like waking up inside a gentle Nordic sunrise. Choose a bed frame in solid light oak or a simple upholstered headboard in warm white boucle fabric. Layer your bedding in the cloud effect method, a white cotton duvet at the base, then a waffle weave coverlet in soft sage or warm linen, topped with a couple of textured throw cushions. Keep your bedside tables simple. A pair of solid wood nightstands with a small ceramic table lamp, a bud vase with a single garden flower, and a good book. Avoid anything that feels heavy or dark. This room lives on lightness, texture, and the beauty of simplicity. The bathroom in this aesthetic is where you really feel the Nordic influence shine. Go for a walk-in shower with white subway tiles in a vertical stack pattern and simple matte black fixtures. Clean, timeless, and quietly luxurious. For the vanity, a freestanding or wall-mounted unit in light oak or white painted wood with a white ceramic vessel sink creates that beautiful tension between rustic and refined. Hang a frameless or simple oak-framed mirror above, and add a small rattan shelf beside it for rolled linen hand towels, a ceramic soap dish, and a small glass bottle of eucalyptus oil. Bring in nature with a potted snake plant or a bundle of dried lavender hung upside down near the window. It is aromatherapy and decor in one. Most people ignore the garage when designing their home's aesthetic, but in a Scandinavian farmhouse, every space has the potential for beauty and order. Paint the garage walls in a clean, warm white and install open wood shelving along one wall for storage bins in neutral tones, labeled in simple black type. Choose a classic carriage-style garage door in white or sage green with black iron hardware. It ties the exterior aesthetic together beautifully. Add a pegboard panel above the workbench for hanging tools neatly, and place a galvanized metal bucket with a potted herb garden near the side door. A simple pendant light in a black cage shade above the workbench is both practical and deeply charming. The patio is your outdoor living room in summer, and in Scandinavian farmhouse style, it should feel like a natural extension of everything inside. Choose teak or acacia wood outdoor furniture with thick, linen-covered cushions in white or sage, durable, beautiful, and weather-resistant. Anchor the space with a large outdoor jute or cotton flatweave rug under the dining or seating area. Hang string lights above on a timber pergola for golden evening ambience that is simply magical. Add terracotta pots in varying heights planted with rosemary, lavender, and white petunias. A simple wood-burning fire bowl for cooler evenings, a galvanized metal side table, and a stack of folded outdoor throws complete the scene. This is summer living at its most graceful. Let's talk for a moment about the single most important material in this entire design: light wood. Birch, ash, and light oak carry warmth without weight. They reflect natural light back into a room, making spaces feel larger and more alive. In Scandinavian farmhouse design, the wood is often left in its most natural state, lightly oiled or matte lacquered to preserve the grain and color. Avoid heavily varnished or orange-tinted wood, which can feel dated and heavy. When choosing furniture or flooring, run your hand over the grain. A smooth, natural, barely there finish is what you are after. Mix different lightwoods freely. The slight variation in tone between birch and ash, for example, adds depth and authenticity that makes a space feel collected over time, rather than bought all at once. Textiles are the fastest and most affordable way to shift your home into summer mode. In early summer, swap out heavier wool throws and velvet cushions for open weave cotton, gauze linen, and waffle-textured fabrics. The rule of thumb here is, if you can see through it a little, it belongs in summer. Your color palette for textiles should stay grounded in nature: undyed natural linen, soft sage, misty blue-gray, warm cream, and the occasional blush or terracotta for a touch of sun-warmed earth. Layer textures rather than patterns. A waffle cushion beside a chunky knit pillow, beside a smooth linen throw creates visual interest without busyness. Change your table linen, your bed throws, and your cushion covers. 3 swaps, completely different season, same beautiful home. One of the most asked about design tips I get is, how do you style shelves like a designer? In Scandinavian farmhouse design, the answer is always, edit ruthlessly, then display intentionally. Start with a hero object, a beautiful piece of ceramic, a vintage wooden bowl, or a small framed print. Then add height variation, something tall like a vase or plant, something medium, and something small and unexpected like a river stone or a folded book. Leave significant breathing room between groupings. Empty space is not wasted space. It is design breathing room. For early summer, bring in organic objects, a bundle of dried wheat, a small glass jar of collected pebbles, a pressed fern in a simple frame. Nature is always the best decorator. Lighting in a Scandinavian farmhouse is not just functional, it is emotional. The Nordic tradition of hygge, which means a feeling of cozy contentment and well-being, lives or dies by how well you layer your light. In early summer, maximize natural light first. Keep windows unobstructed and use sheer, light-filtering curtains. For artificial light, you want 3 layers: ambient light from a central pendant or ceiling fixture, task light from floor or table lamps, and accent light from candles or small plug-in spotlights on shelving. Choose warm-toned bulbs. No cool or blue-white light in a farmhouse home. Woven rattan pendants, ceramic table lamps, and aged brass floor lamps are your best friends here. Here is the honest truth. Scandinavian farmhouse style is actually one of the most achievable aesthetics on a real-world budget, and here is how. Firstly, invest in your largest pieces, sofa and bed, and keep them simple and neutral so they never go out of style. For everything else, think secondhand first. Vintage ceramic pots, wooden crates, aged brass hardware, and woven baskets are thrift store gold. Swap cabinet hardware for brushed brass or matte black versions. A box of new knobs costs very little and transforms a kitchen entirely. Layer affordable IKEA basics with 1 or 2 higher quality accent pieces, and no one will ever know the difference. The secret ingredient of beautiful Scandinavian farmhouse interiors is not budget, it is curation. Before we wrap up this gorgeous journey together, let me leave you with a practical, doable checklist for your early summer Scandinavian farmhouse refresh. First, clear the clutter. Declutter every surface and give yourself a blank canvas. Second, swap your textiles, cushions, throws, and table linen in summer weight fabrics and soft seasonal colors. Third, bring in light wood accessories. A wooden tray, a birch vase, a wooden cutting board displayed on the kitchen counter. Fourth, add at least one living plant to every main room. Fifth, change your lighting to warm-toned bulbs if you have not already. Sixth, add one natural, organic decorative element to each shelf or surface. 7 simple steps, and your home will feel like an entirely new season has moved in. And there we have it, friends, a full, beautiful walkthrough of a Scandinavian farmhouse home dressed in its most glorious early summer best. From the charming board-and-batten facade to the serene bedroom, the characterful entryway to the sunlit patio, every corner of this home tells a story of calm intention and seasonal joy. I hope you are leaving this video with a notebook full of ideas and a heart full of excitement for your own space. Remember, you do not need to change everything at once. Start with one room, one corner, one shelf. Design is a journey, not a destination. If you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It truly helps this channel more than you know. And if you are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new episode of the Daily House Ideas. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments below. I read every single one, and I would love to hear what inspired you most today. Until next time, keep creating beautiful spaces and beautiful lives. See you soon.